Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the structure of the earth. Today we will discuss about the structure of the earth. Here the inner part of the earth. What in the inner part of the earth and the total inner part of the earth can be divided in the three layers. In the three layers, we study here about the inner part of the earth, yeah, structure of the earth, and all the earth can be divided in three layers. First is crust, second is mantle, and last third is core. Three layers here. First here crust, second mantle, and third is core. And the density is increased in the depth. जैसे जैसे हम डेप्थ में जाएंगे क्या होगा, डेंसिटी also increase. The first here the upper layer of the earth is called crust. The upper layer of the surface, the upper layer of the earth surface is called crust. It's called crust. The upper part to approx 50 to 60 kilometer, 50 to 60 kilometer part, this part is known as crust. And crust can be classified into, yeah, divided in two parts, upper crust and the lower crust. Upper crust and lower crust. Here approx 2 to 4 kilometer, here the upper part, here the ocean surface and the mountain, here the thickness of the upper crust here, and approx to 35 kilometer, upper part surface to 35 kilometer, here the upper crust, the upper crust here 35 kilometer. And different here the like here the oceans upper crust, yeah, the crust, the different here the depth of the crust in the different parts here, the depth in the oceans, here the oceans, then here the depth approx 10 to 20 kilometer, then the normal plain part, then 20 to 30 kilometer, and the highest mountain region, then here the approx 50 to 70 kilometer depth also found. Yeah, the thickness of the crust also approx 70 kilometer. क्लियर, क्या बात कर रहे हैं कि क्रस्ट की जो थिकनेस है वो क्या होती है, डिफरेंट होती है. जो ओशियंस है उसके ओशियंस के वहां पे थिकनेस ओनली 20 किलोमीटर अप्रोक्स, जो लैंड पार्ट है वहां पे 20 to 30 किलोमीटर, और जो माउंटेनियस रीजन है वहां पे जो थिकनेस वो कितनी हो जाती है, अप्रोक्स 70 किलोमीटर. देन हियर द डिफरेंट थिकनेस ऑफ द क्रस्ट, यानी उसकी जो मोटाई होती है वो क्या होती है, क्रस्ट की डिफरेंट होती है. अपर क्रस्ट इज approx earth surface to 35 kilometer, and the 35 kilometer to लगभग 50 to 60 kilometer near the lower crust. And the conard boundary, here the discontinuity, yeah, here the different quality found in upper crust, below the upper crust, then here this boundary is known, yeah, discovered by the conard. So this boundary is known as the conard boundary. Upper crust, yeah, lower crust also classified by the conard boundary. And the second layer is mantle. The lower crust and the upper mantle classified by the, yeah, divided by the Moho discontinuity. ठीक है, Moho discontinuity separate the lower crust and the upper mantle. Moho discontinuity separate lower crust and the upper mantle, upper mantle from 50 to 60 kilometer to approx 2900, या 2900 280 885. देखना क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, या तो हम इसे कंसिडर करेंगे 2900 या 2885 किलोमीटर द here thickness of the mantle from 50 to 60 kilometer to approx 2900 kilometer. This mantle also divided in two part, upper mantle and the lower mantle. Upper mantle 50 to 6 kilometer to in the depth of the earth, yeah, earth surface 660 approx here the 700 kilometer upper mantle, and the below the upper mantle here the lower mantle 700 to 2900. And the upper mantle and the lower mantle also separated by the rapidity boundary, and upper mantle here also found low velocity zone. And here this part is also called asthenosphere. क्या बोलते हैं इसे, asthenosphere. The source of the magma and the process of volcano, here the main source is the asthenosphere. जब भी मैग्मा बाहर निकलता है, वोल्केनिक इरप्शन होता है तो मैग्मा कहां से मिल रहा है, मैग्मा आ रहा है फ्रॉम द asthenosphere. ठीक है, द मैग्मा मेन सोर्स इज द asthenosphere in found in the upper mantle. Clear, yes. here Moho discontinuity separate the lower crust and the upper mantle. Here the most important question, Moho discontinuities discovered by the Mohorovicic the geographer, and this continuity separate the lower crust and the upper mantle. Lithosphere is considered approx the 200 km. The thickness of the lithosphere is considered approx 200 km, and the upper mantle and the lower mantle also divide separate by the rapidity boundary. The crust density is approx 2.7 to 3 gram prati cube centimeter, and the mantle density found here 3 to 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. And last one is here the third layer of the earth core. This is also classified in divide in two part of outer core and the inner core. Outer core found in the liquid and the inner core found in the solid. The outer core form 2885 to 5150 outer core found in the liquid, and the inner core 5150 km to 6371 km. The last part of the center of the earth, here the radius of the earth is also considered 6371, and in outer core and inner core also separated by the Lehman boundary, and the lower mantle and outer core also separated by CMB core mantle boundary, and core mantle boundary also called D prime, and we can also say Gutenberg discontinuity found between here lower mantle and the outer core. D prime found here between lower mantle and the outer core, and this is also known as core mantle boundary CMB, and outer core and the inner core separated by the Lehman boundary, and the density also increase in this last part here from 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter to 13 gram per cubic centimeter density found in core. Here the upper part, the crust, second part is mantle, and the last part is here core. The inner part here the core. The upper part crust, फिर mantle, and then here core. Upper part, the crust is divided in two part, upper crust and the lower crust, and mantle also in upper crust, upper mantle and the lower mantle, and the core also in outer core and the inner core. In the upper part here the found soft material like here the aluminum and silica. Light material here, light matter found here the like silica and aluminum. In the inner part here the found silica and the magnesium, and the last part here the heavy material found in the inner part here like nickel and ferrum, and density also increase in the depth. जैसे जैसे हम डेप्थ में जाएंगे क्या होगा, डेंसिटी इंक्रीज. Here the structure of the earth we can classify in three part: crust, mantle and core.